Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to know depositional environment for evaporate precipitation. We have introduction, environments where marine and continental sub-environments are included. Then we will come to know some facts related to the evaporate deposition. Let's start with what is depositional environment. In geology, it stands for where physical, chemical, and biological processes work simultaneously to deposit a particular type of sediment and lithify it into sedimentary rock units. This figure illustrates various types of depositional environment. Here, alluvial, lagunal, beach, tidal, evaporitic, lacustrine settings are our today's concepts. We can find evaporite deposition in marine and continental environments. Coastal, mudflat, salt pan, barren basin are included in marine environments, where salt lakes and springs are included in continental environments. Recent marine evaporite deposits are all found in coastal settings, where seawater supply is limited, places like lagoons and coastal plains. Coastal evaporates form in subka environments, which are broad intertidal areas and coastal plains that may be flooded by lagoon waters when storm winds blow landward. Evaporites do not precipitate directly from seawater. Climate is the fundamental controlling factor which regulates the saturation level of the water body. Semi-arid subtropical belt and subpolar belt have suitable climatic conditions for evaporite. This is a bird basin diagram. Rate of water loss through evaporation exceeds the input of water, which causes precipitation of fine evaporitic crystals. We have mentioned earlier that if the area is not shallow or lack with restricted water supply, then the minerals will not achieve their supersaturation condition. Eventually, there will not be evaporite formation or replacement process. Marine processes are those associated with action of waves. This includes erosion, transportation, and deposition. This is one of the most important areas for sedimentologists where oil traps and dolomite formations can during or after formation of sand dunes and ridges. One directional current causes migration of dunes. In the interdune areas, salts and calcium carbonate rich pot-like evaporites are present. Modern continental evaporite deposits are found in the Great Salt Lakes in Utah and the Dead Sea, which lies between Jordan and Israel. Continental evaporite deposits often help us to predict the past Earth climates, tectonic and climatic changes. The figure shows continental subka environment, sandflat, dry mudflat, saline mudflat, and eventually salt pan are developed. Lastly, the importance of shallow versus deep water is still debated. To deposit 2000 meter of evaporate, you would need to evaporate a lot of seawater, where evaporation of entire Mediterranean Sea would only produce 60 meter of evaporates. The most significant known evaporate depositions happened during the Mississippian salinity crisis in the basin of Mediterranean.
If this video seems helpful to you, please like and subscribe Art Detective and also visit our YouTube channel where we uploaded lot of videos based on art science. We also organize the videos in playlist based on topics. Feel free to explore and suggest us what you want to learn from us. You can also check description for links of our social media website for resources, PowerPoint file and further discussion.